Hi, I'm introducing to you a 2014 International Cummins Power flat deck with beaver tails and flip over ramps. I'll give you a quick overview of it. That's a nice Cummins Power. Showing you that there's no blow-by. The video will be about 2 minutes long, maybe 2.5. Truck is 80,000 kilometers, 84,000 kilometers with 2,500 engine hours. It's an Allison automatic. It has hydraulic brakes, showing you that our water temperature was at 170, so the engine was warm when I pulled that cap off. If there is more videos you do want, feel free to call. And I'll give you a quick walk around the truck. It has 22.5, 11R 22.5 Goodyear tires on the front. I would say 90% or better. We got the toolbox. We got a dunnage rack or tire rack. We have another one that goes across the bottom of the frame for more storage. The aluminum flip over spring assist ramps. I'll flip one over for you now, show you how I can do it with one hand. And we have the Goodyear G622 11R 22.5s in the rear as well. I would say they're 80% or better. Air ride suspension. This truck is well kept, well looked after. Came in from a good home. Let me know what you think.